Today I'm gearing up for fall and checking out some knee-high boots from Topwalks. And for all you lovely short peeps out there with an eye for fashion, these might be a must-have. I'm not usually big on buying shoes without trying them on first, but these were true to size and just as cute as they looked online. They're made of faux leather. They have a full-length side zipper, a pointed toe design, a little over 3-inch heel, and some comfortable padding. I could probably stand in these for a few hours and be fine. They're not too narrow, and there's enough cushion on the insole to keep me comfortable. I just have to learn how to walk in them first. This feels wrong. But anyway, they look cute. The top part isn't overly wide, and the black color I chose matches pretty much anything. They look good paired with cozy fall outfits, a fitted dress for a fun night out, or even to spice up what I'm wearing for Halloween this year. So they look nice for multiple occasions. As for the heel, I'm normally about 5'7", but these brought me all the way up to around 5'10", perfect if you want to give yourself that extra height. I think they're overall adorable, and I'm pretty sure I'll have these for at least a few years before they start to wear out. So whether you're dressing up for an event or keeping it casual, these knee-high boots will have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing tonight with my new boots. Later.